S-series coaxial speaker has made a name for themselves with avid music fans. Without a question, a fantastic replacement for OEM speaker applications, the S-series speaker system continues to offer great performance at a great price. With so many sizes: 30 RMS, 90 watt max, DDC paper cone, non-resonant treated basket, 0.5-inch pay tweeter, 4-ounce magnet. Top reviews from the United States. Installed in mid-door 2019 Mustang GT. These really did the trick to liven up the mid-range in my Mustang. I installed them high-door location. You need to have the 9-speaker system to install these in this location. Ran with factory amp and they sound great. Wow. First impressions count. First impressions count. I got them yesterday and installed them today. First of all, let me say that these kill 3.5 Pioneers, Fossgates and kickers if you look at the price vs value. They have smooth mids, soft highs and also some kick. I use them as dashboard speakers and they truly complete my Pioneer sound system. As some other pointed out, the frame construction feels a bit cheap, but the cone, tweeter and magnet are really high quality, and that's the components that count.